video and we'll hear about it later. Olive-back pipit.
What's the one that has the yellow head? Black head? Yellow?
Black-chested bulbul.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah. Just like that. She's still up there. I don't have another yet. There's another bird way up high behind him. He's just about got him in it.
I got him in my viewfinder. I'm not moving now. Slender bill oriole.
Where is flower or not? Or the flower is here?
Do you see him?
Hmm? No.
Yeah.
Where? Far or?
Well, behind these bushes, just kind of at a. I don't know if he's flown now.
Black-throated sunbird,
There were
female.
two of them, but forked.
Females have a gray
How about here?
throat, not black.
No, kind of
Beautiful.
Down, maybe they flew already. Right there. In the flowering tree.
Boy, it's hard to keep it still.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Oh, the ashy drongo.
Oh, who's that?
Black-throated sunbird, female.
Ashy drongo.
Did you have him?
Not spangled. Yeah.
But I don't see him.
Right,
In the flowering.
right there in the flowering tree near the top, honey.
Oh, I see him way up there. Did we see him before?
Picture.
I think that's the one I saw earlier.
Did we see the ashy drongo earlier?
Yes, you saw down there.
Yeah, I thought so.
Blythe leaf warbler. Boy, they're hard to shoot. Short-billed minibet. Oh, gone. Where'd you go?
Oh, he's so pretty.
Oh, there he is.
Female?
No, I'm looking at the male now. I'm shooting him on video here. Well, every time I get him, he moves. Short-billed minibet, beautiful. Man, he's got all kinds of dots and everything. What woodpecker is that? Black-winged cuckoo shrike. Gosh, man, I'm getting some good video today.
Red-winged?
Black-winged.
Black-winged.
Black-winged cuckoo shrike. Beautiful.
This is yellow chick-tit. What is top of that tree?
That's the very tippy top.
Yellow chick-tit.
Oh, he's good. I have to take off my glasses a bit.
Oh, I see him moving now.
Moving?
Yeah, turning his head around.
Oh, yeah.
See, what I got to do is I got to lock it down so it doesn't get blurry.
Yeah, he's moving. Now I can tell he's a bird. Yeah, I'm sure glad to get a picture of him. White on his head.
Yeah, I can see his beak now.
Yeah.
He's kind of looking.
Chestnut-bellied rock thrush.
I am amazed at your
Beautiful.
eyes, Bull.
Now I can see really good. Boone, look, now swim out.
Yes, สวยมาก
เดี๋ยวรอตะวันอยู่ข้างบนแล้วจะสวยละ
Yeah, he's moved his beak around and That's cool. Very uncommon.
What is a flathead?
Oh, wow.
No, I can't find
Wow.
it. Where are you, babe?
Oh, right in the center of the right side.
Birded or
Actually,
flycatcher?
there are two trees there.
Oh, he's turned.
He's facing black.
But I
Black
saw
and-
another one. I saw a different one that had a white belly.
White and black is the dark
This is different
dark
than the one
back
I saw.
severe. He's blue. He's blue. Look in the video.
Blue
You
all
see
over.
it?
Brilliant blue with
But I
black.
saw one with a white belly.
Yeah, dark back severe. We saw it in the morning, but not good look. Here is good look.
He's
Oh,
moving.
okay.
Black back.
He's moving around.
Well, he was blue.
He's blue.
With blue on his back and white on his belly. Okay, well,
This blue, all blue.
yeah.
Belly is also blue. See?
Yes, I saw it.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is the
Oh,
flathead
gorgeous.
shape?
Oh, that's a great
That
shot
isn't the
right
one I
here.
first saw. Oh,
Oh, I see the one you saw. He's over to the left.
yeah. That's the
Yes,
one I
yes,
saw.
there's a dark back severe.
Dark
we
back,
saw
white
this morning
front.
earlier, but not
But,
good look.
but this is a better view.
Birded or flycatcher?
Samuk.
Very nice.
Oh, wow. What is that? No, what color is there? No.
Blue-throated barbet.
Yeah.
I'll be able to tell on my computer.
That wasn't the best one. He's kind of behind the stick.
Well, if I can get one later, I'll try to do it.
Right